Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. And today is Tuesday, December 4th of 2018. For our morning announcements for today, we will have our winter map testing still going on for this week. For some of you, this will be your first test that will be happening today. So we wanted to make sure that you knew of that. And one other thing, too, that I forgot to put in the announcements is that we do have a PTCO meeting happening after school today at 3:30 in the library. For our December birthdays, we don't have any birthdays for today, December 4th, but we do have one coming up tomorrow. So we'll make that announcement tomorrow for that person's birthday. For our lunch choices for today, we have hot dog, beef and cheese nachos, or turkey and cheese wrap. And today for our pause, we have a couple of students who talked about what that means for map testing.
Alright, today I'm in Miss Fult's class, and we're going to be doing our pause in class today. So I have three students here who will talk about how we can do things for our map test that we're taking this week.
For academic achievement, do good on your map test. Working hard. Work as hard as you can on your map test, and maybe make a goal for yourself, and if you achieve it, be proud of yourself.
Thank you very much for that. I appreciate that for our map testing goals and also what we're doing for map testing for this week. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Alright, boys and girls, today I have a whole class helping me out with the Pledge of Allegiance today. So I have Mrs. Fult's class here today helping me out with the pledge. So please make sure you're standing and have your right hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much to Mrs. Fult's class for doing our pledge. So I had to help out in their classroom at the end of the day yesterday, so that is why we kind of focused on their class for today's announcements. So boys and girls, good luck in your map test today. Do your best. And as I said, try to set a goal for yourself and see if you can achieve it. Remember, the choices are yours, so make sure you're making a great choice and applying the most effort. Have a great day.